I'm going to show you how to make whipped cream using whipping cream and powdered sugar. But before we blend these together, one of the things you need to do is have a really cold bowl and mixers. So I'm going to put this bowl and these mixers in the freezer for about 10 minutes and get them very cold, and then we'll make the whipped cream. It's been about 10 minutes and you can see how frosty this is, and these are so nice and cold. So now next step, start making the whipped cream. For every cup of whipping cream that we add to this, it's just about full here, we want to add 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar. And why is that? The powdered sugar helps stabilize it, helps keep it firm. And also each cup of whipping cream that you add will make about 2 cups of whipped cream. So in here, I have 2 cups of whipping cream, so I will be adding 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar. So this will make about 4 cups total of whipped cream. The key to this is do not over mix it. And I'm going to show you in real time how much I'm mixing it. If you over mix it, you're going to end up with a crumbly mess. So really the key to this is keep your eye on it, start mixing it slow, then go higher. And you can really watch and you can see the consistency of it where you get it how you want it. Also, the powdered sugar does add sweetness to it. So that is what I like for making this sometimes, is to put it in, a recipe that requires more sweetness. If you just whip this up by itself, you could do that, eat it immediately, like say with strawberries. So now we're going to start blending this up. So I'm going to mix this and I will show you how the consistency is going to change. So we're starting off slow. I'm going to add in that powdered sugar. The powdered sugar is added and it's still, it's still pretty liquidy. It's going to take a couple of minutes for this to start turning into whipped cream. But I just feel it's well worth it to, if you have the time, to make whipped cream, and it's pretty easy. Just you have to watch, like I said, don't overmix. If you overmix, that's when you're going to end up with issues of it being too crumbly. So we'll just keep letting this go. I'm going to turn it up higher now, a little bit higher. I can see it is getting a little bit thicker. Gonna keep mixing it. Definitely getting thicker. You can see it there. It's getting thicker. Okay. See, you can see how little waves are starting to form in it. This is how we know we're getting there. See, getting thicker. You can see there how, see that? How it's starting to ripple? We're getting whipped cream, guys. Oh, there it is. See that? All right. We have whipped cream. And there you can see it. Nice and thick and great consistency. And there we have it. Homemade whipped cream. So delicious. And if you don't need to use this right away, you can cover it and it will stay good in your fridge for about 2 to 3 days. And just remember, don't over mix or else you're going to end up with a crumbly mess. But this was mixed for about 4 minutes and it's turned out perfectly.